If the device doesn't have a flight mode but is switched off, remain off for the duration of this flight. If you like to use your battery pack on board today's flight, please ensure your battery pack and your devices are out of your baggage and monitor during the flight.
My name is Richard Haynes, I'm a pleasure meeting Captain this morning. Joining Flight XC First Officer Nicholas Alkins. In charge of camp we have a great team led by Owen at the front of the aircraft. Flight time to Turin, 1 hour 45 minutes, cruising at 37,000 feet. Generally expected smooth condition en route, weather degrees standard Turin, currently 10 degrees with clear skies. Very shortly close the doors and start the engines, at which point Owen and our team will do a safety demonstration. Appreciate you may have seen one of these before, and for your safety and safety of those you flying, you do request you go full complete section. Fortunately, at the moment we do have an air traffic control restriction, meaning the earliest we can push back the aircraft is approximately 17 minutes time.
And Delhi at the back should be taking good care of you en route. However, before departure, may I have everyone's full and complete attention while the cabin crew points out some of the safety features on this Boeing 737-200 series aircraft. Please ensure all headphones are removed for the duration of this demonstration.
May we have your complete attention as we demonstrate the safety features of this aircraft. These features may differ from aircraft that you have flown on before. Please remove headphones for this demonstration. All emergency exits are indicated by a red exit sign, and the four-path markings will guide you to the nearest exit in an emergency. The exits are located on both sides of the aircraft, at the front, in the middle, and at the rear of the cabin. All exits are also shown on the safety card. The nearest exit may be behind you. In case of an emergency evacuation, you must leave all your hand baggage behind. To fasten a seatbelt, insert the metal end into the buckle and secure by pulling the loose end. To open a seatbelt, lift the buckle cover. In case of a loss of cabin pressure, masks like this will drop automatically from the panels above your heads. Remain seated and pull down firmly on the mask to start the flow of oxygen. Place the mask over your nose and mouth securely.
recline sheet for ladies, cabin recline 3 for men and Fuga bus just different. These are only 20 euros or 19 pounds. We also have the winter sensation for 30 euros. You can have David of the Game, Fuga bus, Mavian from Miracle. We also have up to 65% off to our premium fragrances. That includes Whistler, Yellow Diamond, Michael Kors Sexy Amber, Lancome La Vie Belle, Carolina Herrera, Good Girl or Bad Boy and many more. Full details and prices can be found in our complimentary travel guide distributed to you before, so please have a look in our Insights magazine, and if you have any queries or it's an order or anything, don't hesitate to stop me. Table up, unrail down, window blinds fully open. All items that you may have removed during the flight must have been restored, ensuring all emergency exits and cabin aisle are kept completely clear. You'll find your safety card on the seat in front of you or on the area around you. Please study this safety card as a reminder. I'd like to remind you that in case of an emergency, all handbags must remain behind. You should be no more walking or standing in the cabin aisle, and use of the toilet is no longer permitted. You should be landing shortly. and gentlemen, welcome to Turin Airport. Was the local time is approaching 10 to 3. Please remain in your seat with your seatbelt securely fastened until the aircraft has come to a complete stop and the fasten seatbelt sign has been switched off. Exercise extreme caution on opening the overhead lockers as items of your carry-on luggages may have become dislodged during the landing. All large portable electronic devices must remain switched off and securely stowed, however you may use your mobile phones. For those who smoke, please refrain from doing so until you reach a designated smoking area while outside the terminal building. For new routes, hotel accommodation, car hire, visit Ryanair.com. Finally, on behalf of the captain, first officer and your onboard crew today, we'd like to thank you for choosing to fly with us and we hope to see you again in a very near future. To all of us on board, thank you and have a good afternoon.